Hi guys, Darlene from WTI, and I want to talk to you about these filters. I need to change out the filter in my air purifier, and I like this company here, Veva. They have really premium HEPA filters for pretty much any device. You can find one of these compatible for it. So this is my Germ Guardian, and this is the pack that I get. It's the value pack, so it has 2 of these HEPA filters. Each one of those will last about 6 to 12 months, depending on the use. But you can extend the use of these filters by using switching out these carbon filters. So these are the things that basically catch a lot of the dust and dander, pet hair. So you can just replace those and keep this thing running smoothly. This shows you what they all take care of here: dust, pollen, mold, bacteria, odor, pet dander. Very easy to install. For my unit, actually, let me show you how they come. So this is what it looks like. You just Velcro that carbon filter on top of there and pop it in just like that. Now you're going to want to reset the light because this will be flashing red when it's time to change the filter. So in order to reset that, you just press and hold this button for like 3 to 5 seconds, and that will be ready to start fresh. So I highly recommend this company if you need some HEPA filters, and that's my point of view.